Oh! You want to do little steps some more? Okay. What? You got to stand up. You got to stand up on your own. Tell me when you're ready. Okay, little steps. Little steps.
This is Levi skiing for the first time. We're at Mohonk.
Excellent.
It is
Excellent.
January 2011.
You're walking.
Cross-country skiing. And Levi's doing a better job than Mama is.
Good job. Not too fast. Oh. Excellent. Excellent.
It's like ice skates?
Little steps. What? You're walking. You're skiing, Levi. Yeah, keep going towards Mama. You're looking, yeah. You're doing an excellent job.
Good job, buddy.
Oh my goodness, almost all the way to Mama with that.
Hooray, can you say ta-da?
Yeah.